Good morning, students. Today we will read lesson 6 of our storybook, The Two Friends. You must have come across people who boast of great feats and victories, but when we ask them to prove, they cannot do a thing. I will tell you a story about such man. Students, we meet many people who used to tell or used to talk with too much pride about something that they have or they can do. But when we ask them to prove, they cannot do a thing. And today we will read such a story of a boy, Ankit. Ankit was a naughty boy. He used to boast of many daredevil stunts he had done, like climbing the bus while it was moving, jumping off a racing scooter, and the bike. When he grew up, he boasted about the various hunting tips he had supposedly gone for. He claimed he had fought with a tiger, a lion, a bear, a crocodile, even a deadly python. There was no end of his tales. Ankit was a naughty boy and he used to tell many daredevil stunts about himself, like climbing the bus while it was moving, jumping off a racing scooter. And he used to tell so many daredevil stunts about himself, like he had fought with dangerous wild animal like lion, tiger, and even a python. Ankit had a friend called Harshit. Harshit was very quiet. He did not boast like Ankit. Who was Ankit's friend? Harshit. Ankit had a friend Harshit, and Harshit was very simple and quiet boy, and he did not boast like Ankit. One day Harshit asked Ankit to go with him to a town. Close to their town, between the two towns, there was a jungle. अंकित जो है वो बहुत ही नॉटी बॉय था और वो हमेशा अपनी तारीफ़ में कहानियाँ जो है बच्चों को सुनाता था, जिससे सब बच्चे ये सोचते थे कि अंकित बहुत ही ब्रेव है। और ऐसा ही हर्षित सोचता था, जो कि अंकित का फ्रेंड था। एक दिन किसी काम से हर्षित को टाउन से बाहर जाना पड़ा, तो उसने सोचा कि मैं अंकित को अपने साथ ले लेता हूँ, क्योंकि अंकित बहुत ही ब्रेव है। Harshit thought that with the experience Ankit had, they both would be safe while passing through the forest. So one day, for some work, Harshit had to go to a town close to their town. He thought that it would be safe to go with experienced and brave Ankit, and Ankit also agreed to go with him. The two set out on their journey. By the night they were well inside the jungle. Harshit felt very scared. "What is there to fear when I am with you?" said the brave Ankit. While crossing the jungle, Harshit felt scared because they were deep inside the jungle. But Ankit told him to be brave and not to worry, and assured to help him. When the friends were settling down to sleep, Harshit heard a low growl. The growl grew louder. A bear was coming towards them. Harshit asked Ankit to do something. Ankit promptly climbed up a tree, leaving Harshit alone. दोनों जो हैं डीप इनसाइड जब जंगल में थे, तो हर्षित डरने लगा। अंकित ने उसको अश्योर किया कि कोई डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। बट व्हेन दे वर सेटलिंग डाउन टू स्लीप, दे हर्ड ग्राउलिंग ऑफ ए बियर। जब वो दोनों सोने की तैयारी कर रहे थे, तो उनको बियर के गुर्राने की आवाज़ आई। ग्राउलिंग मीन्स गुर्राना। Who came there? A bear. But in spite of helping his friend, Ankit climbed up a tree and saved his life, leaving Harshit alone. Harshit lay absolutely still on the ground. The bear came and sniffed. Sniffed means Sona. Sniffed him and thought he was dead. He walked away. After the danger had passed, Harshit got up and said to Ankit, "You have shown what a friend you are. From now on, do not consider me your friend." Harshit acted wisely. He laid absolutely still on the ground. The bear came there and sniffed Harshit. Bear thought that Harshit was dead, so it left him and walked away. And when the danger had passed, Ankit got down. Then Harshit said, "From now on, do not consider me your friend." This incident taught him a lesson. Ankit had left him alone in danger, so he was not a friend, not a good friend, because a true friend always be with you in every situation and never leave you alone in danger. So what is the moral of this story? A friend indeed is a friend indeed. सच्चा मित्र वही है जो मुसीबत में आपका साथ दे. Hope you like this story. Thank you and have a nice day.